if you are trying to use more advanced ways to make money on the internet, but it's not going in your favor, I believe this particular video is going to help you, because we are going to use the basic ways instead to try to make money on the internet using our smartphone. So if you are someone who is interested, be part of this video, because you are going to start earning some side income, or you can start your whole business from this. This cannot be a sustainable business for now, but it's something that can be giving you some instant money. So pay attention to this video, and I believe it will be helpful to you. So what I'm coming to share in this video is very simple. It's what we call buy and sell business. So if you're on the internet always, there are people who have products that they want to sell to people. Sometimes some people, it's because of some problem that they have, that's why they want to sell their products. So some of these products will be at a very cheaper price. Sometimes some people, they don't have enough money to rent their new apartment. Some people too, sometimes their business is going down, so they want to sell some of their, their properties to do what? To hold their business firm. So like all these things can help you get some cheap products to buy on the internet and sell them at a higher price on a different platform. So that's what I'm coming to explain in this particular video, and we are going to use 2 apps. So be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find it helpful, and give this video a like so that it can help other people as well. So guys, I'm trying to do this on Facebook practically so that I can show you step by step, but it's like the network is not good or Facebook is misbehaving. So we are going to skip here. I'll only talk about it so that some other time we can do the practical aspect of the whole thing. So basically what I'm trying to explain is that on Facebook, people have products out there that they are selling personally. Like these people are not business people. Like they just want to sell their personal stuff so that they can get money to do something. Maybe some people just want money to rent their new apartment, or some people just need money to, boost their business. So maybe business is not performing well, so he or she would like to do what? Sell some properties or some items of his or hers and use it to boost the business. So sometimes they'll sell some of these items at a cheaper price. So an item like washing machine, instead of you getting it like 4,000 Ghana cedis or 5,000, you can easily get it like 1,000 Ghana cedis or 1,500 on Facebook, simply because someone wants to sell it at a very cheaper price and get money to do something fast. So you can take advantage of that, buy these properties and sell it on a platform like Ghs100 or Tonaton.com. If you list them there, you can sell them at a higher price. Or so you can join a group like Tell It All Business. I explained that already. If you go there, people have been selling their personal items there. But if you want more cheaper items to buy on Facebook, you can join real estate groups that are into real estate, where people can come there to rent and all that. In most cases, maybe someone is relocating from one region to another region, or someone wants to travel out of the country. So he or she would just like to sell his or her properties or her items at a very cheaper price. So as someone who is just, hunting on the internet to see what to buy at a cheaper price and sell, you come across these things and you buy them and then you resell them on other platforms, because you are not in a hurry to sell it fast. You are there for the profit. So basically, these are some of the ways that you can use your smartphone to start making some extra money for yourself. Sometimes if you see the items and you don't have money, mostly I talk about you don't have money because I've been in a situation where I don't have any money at all, but I've tried and used just some strategies to, to put myself together. So if you don't have money, you can borrow from someone, or you can borrow from a loan app or something. Once you've seen that, you can settle the loan and get some profit from the thing that you want to buy and sell. You can go ahead and take the loan and do what? And sell. I've seen that Tech in Tree is doing a free loan something on his channel. I don't know if you are fortunate to come across some of these loans. These are some of the things that I'm talking about, that if you are fortunate to come across some of these loans, you can use to do what? You can use it to buy stuff at a cheaper price and then you resell. So one tip is to join some of the real estate groups solely for what? For buying cheaper items. So you can get cheap televisions to buy. You can buy you can get cheap fridge to buy, you can get cheap ACs to buy, but they are also in good condition. It's not all of them that are in good condition, but you have to, it's business that you are doing, so you have to do like more research about this, more inquiries to make sure that you are buying something quality. So you can even get couch, wardrobes, and those stuffs to buy at a cheaper price, then you resell them. So guys, basically this is how you can be using the internet to start making some extra money for yourself if you don't have enough money. Now I'll give you one example. I don't think I'm supposed to say it here. Maybe the person can come across this video, but I'll go ahead and give you a typical example. You see, some woman was into business. He was into rice business, and unfortunately someone scammed her of 1.6 billion. That's 160,000. So because of the scams, she have to pay a bank loan, right? So she's selling all her stuffs at a very cheaper price. So a fridge that she bought for like 8,000 Ghana cedis, he's now selling it like 5,000 Ghana cedis. So we see that if you have the money, you can buy it and then you resell. And a lot of things were sold because they won't need quick money to settle the loan. So basically, these are some of the strategies that can help you to start using your smartphone to make money online. So those of you who have been looking for extraordinary ways to earn from the internet, if the extraordinary ways are not working for you, you can actually start with the easy ways. Because if you get easy money from the internet, you can use it to invest in some other things that can help you to make more profit. Small, Charlie. Business is not going to be smooth every day, but as time goes on and on, you'll definitely be getting something from it. So if, let's say, you've gotten a salary of, let's say, 500 Ghana cedis, you can buy like sound system at a very cheaper price. You can get someone who can be selling a sound system for like, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis instead of 700 Ghana cedis, just because the person needs a quick money to do something. So you buy it at that very time and then sell it at a higher price. Last year, I bought a softbox from Jumia. That softbox, I bought it 400 Ghana cedis. But at the time I'm making this video, the same softbox is 1,000 Ghana cedis. That means even if I were to buy like 10 of those softbox last year, right now, I would have been making a lot of profit from the softbox. So this is what I'm trying to let you understand, that especially the electronics, the fridge, the TVs and co, you can buy them at a cheaper price now and sell them, okay? So guys, this is one strategy that I have personally been using because I've tried a lot of things on the internet, but this particular one is like, it helps you not to stay on the screen for a very long time, because it's just one easy way that you can actually make a quick money on the internet. Then you put that money into something that can be giving you some return. If you want to go into crypto with that money, why not? You can go with it. If you want to go into forex with it, yeah. So, but basically, it will be bringing you, that business can be giving you some small money. I believe this particular video has been helpful. If you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. If I go on Facebook and I've seen that everything is working well, I'll probably put out a practical aspect of this particular video so you see exactly what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.